Hello, welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise. This is a battery pack for a Motorola GP-68 radio. I have a VHF only and a UHF only. This one's for my UHF standalone. I had to do some fixing on this, but I got this radio charger to work, battery charger to work. So let me just show you the radio real quick. Okay, that battery just slips on, locks into place here in the back, so like that, and put that together here. Let's see, get a charging case here. Oh, 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Let me see. This is the GP-68 UHF. Comes with a little stubby antenna and light there, and it's got a scan mode on it. I have the local SARnet, SARnet repeater, which is a network repeaters here in Florida, and a couple other things. I think a FRS, GMRS, a couple things too to listen to for emergency stuff here. But the gist of this is UHF 70 centimeter repeaters, weather comm stuff in the area. Pretty cool little radio. I got this for free. Like I said, I had to do the programming by hand, and there's a couple of sites show you how to program these radios. It's kind of tricky with the codes and everything. It's kind of old school, so you got to do it the old-fashioned way. So anyway, that's a Motorola UHF version of the GP-68. So alrighty, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe. 73.